Hello students, now in this lecture we learn how to execute a simple C++ program in a Turbo C++ environment. In this example, we will learn to create a simple program named Hello World in C++ programming. A Hello World is a simple program that outputs Hello World on a screen. Means it displays a simple Hello World to the display screen. In this example, we do our first C++ program. Since it's a very simple program, it's often used to introduce a new programming language to a newbie. This is the first program that will show how the program is created in Turbo C environment and how the actual program is executed. Let's see how C++ Hello World program works. If you have not already set up the environment to run C++ on your computer, then install C++ on your computer. Here I already installed the Turbo C on my laptop. Let's start to create our first Hello World program by using C++ language. First, you want to create a new file for inserting the C++ statements. By using file menu, in file there is a new option. Then here is your first C++ program which displays the output Hello World on a screen. First we will see how to save a particular program. Say file menu is used for saving the program. File, in that file menu there is a save option. In that save option there is a default path for storing the file. I will give the name as first dot. We want to give the extension as C++. Okay, this way the file is saved. Now I want to compile the particular file. Compile menu, select compile option. If there are errors, then this message box displays the number of errors. Now I want to run the particular program. Now here in the screen the hello world message is displayed. In this program, this is your first C++ program. In C++, any line starting with // is a comment. We know the comment and we know the use of comment. What is the actual use of comment? Comments are intended for the person reading the code to be better understand the functionality of the program. And it is completely ignored by the compiler. Then next, #include iostream.h. The #include is a preprocessor directive used to include files in our program. This code is including the contents of the iostream file as well as conio.h file, because we use clearScene and getCH function in our program. That functions provided by the conio.h file, header file. The iostream allows us to use cout or cin our program to print output on a screen. Now, for now, just remember that we need to use #include iostream to use cout and cin that allows us to print output on a screen and give input to the program. Next, there is an main function, integer main. A valid C++ program must have a main function. The curly brace indicates that start and the end of the main function. And the execution of the code begins with this function. Next, CLR SCR. The CLR SCR is a predefined function in a conio.h header file, means console input output header file, and used to clear the contents of a screen. Clear screen functions are used for clearing or clear the contents of a screen. It is a predefined function. By using this function, we can clear the data from the console or from the monitor. Next is an cout statement. Cout prints the contents inside the quotation mark. Cout function displays the contents of the quotation marks, and it must be followed by $! sign and semicolon is used to indicate the end of a statement. Then getCH. getCH is also a predefined function in a conio.h header file, and it will tells the console wait for some time until any key is hit given after running of a program. And last one is the return 0 statement. The return 0 statement is the exit status of a program. In simple terms, in short, the program ends with this statement. This is our first C++ program.